See that? It's a plane going to Venice, Italy. Yeah, we are in Italy now. It's very, very scary, this kind of clouds here. You see that? You see the form of the clouds? It's very scary. So we are here in Venice, Venezia, in the old Venezia. So it's really, really scared that clouds over there. So it's going around over here, this area. The clouds, it's very terrible, scary.
What did you guys see?
Here, see the clouds there?
There's a very long bridge. There's a plane there.
There's a long, long bridge over there. We drove over there. So we being there.
Papa,
We being
what's
there.
this?
There. And going here. In this area. So we charge our car and park as well in that building. A lot of Tipa 2 charging station in that area. So there's a hotel over there. Yes.
Her er båt. Ser du det? Den kan man kjøre, vet du, kanskje.
And then the boat.
Det går sikkert å ta den inn i byen. Kjøre inn i kanalene der.
We can go to the canal.
Ja, der går det an å sitte der, så ser du litt. Kjøre i gatene med den, vet du.